Number first, what is the normal body temperature? The normal body temperature 37 Celsius. In Fahrenheit 98.6 Fahrenheit. Then question number second, which is the largest organ in the body? Largest body organs skin, the protective layer. ठीक है. The next one is how many chamber are in the human heart? ठीक है. There are 4 chamber, upper 2 and lower 2. ठीक है. 2 arteria and 2 ventricles. Then question number 4, what is the normal pulse rate? The normal pulse rate 60 to 100 beat per minute. What is the pH of normal blood? The normal blood pH 7.4. It is a slightly alkaline nature, around 7.35 to 7.45. Then question number 6. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? The correct answer is vitamin D. Then question number 7, which is the smallest bone in the body? Smallest bone is also known as a stapes. Stapes is present in the middle ear. What is the universal donor blood group? Universal donor O negative. Then आपका how many pairs of cranial nerve are there? There are 12 pair of cranial nerve in human body. Then which blood cells help in the clotting? Platelets. Another form is thrombocytes to help in blood clotting. Normal respiration rate in adult 12 to 20 breath per minute. Which is the largest gland? Liver. The liver is the largest gland in the human body. The next question, how many bone in adult human body? The correct answer is 206. An adult human body has 206 bone. Which is the functional unit of kidney? Nephrons. The nephron is the functional and structural unit of the kidney. Which blood group is a universal recipient? ठीक है, AB positive. ठीक है, AB positive is the universal recipient blood group. Universal donor कौन सा है हमारा? O negative. What is the normal blood pressure? The normal blood pressure is a correct answer 120 by 80 mm of Hg. What is the inflammation of liver called? Hepatitis. There are 4 to 5 types: hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, hepatitis E. ठीक है, inflammation of the liver is also known as a hepatitis. Normal hemoglobin in females 12 to 16 gram. Which vitamin prevents night blindness? That is called vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Which is the powerhouse of the cells? Also known as mitochondria. Mitochondria produce ATP, called powerhouse of the cells. Which organ purify blood? The correct answer is kidney. Kidney filter waste and purify the human blood. Then which part of the brain control balance? The correct answer is cerebellum. The cerebellum control balance and coordinations. Which instrument measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer, used to the measure blood pressure. The normal normal sodium level in our body 135 to 145 milli per liter. Which organ produce insulin? The organ is pancreas. Insulin is secreted by the beta cell of pancreas. Which cell? Beta cell. Which vitamin help in clotting? Vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and the cell responsible for platelets. Which is the largest artery? That is called aorta. Aorta is the largest artery of the body and largest vein is a inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. How many teeth in adult human? 32. An adult human has 32 teeth. Which disease is caused by the insulin deficiency? Diabetes. Lack of insulin causes diabetic mellitus. There are 2 types, type 1 and type 2. Which gas is essential for respiration? Also known as oxygen. Oxygen is required for cellular respiration. Thank you, class.